In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Saspac app for your school on an iPhone. The first thing you need to check is that you're running at least version 16.4 of iOS. Do this by going into the settings of your phone, click on General, and then lastly click on About. At the top it will show you your iOS version. As I say, this needs to be at least 16.4. Next, open the Safari browser and enter the URL or the address of the web as supplied by your school. In my case, it's hi.saspac.online. Your school will provide you with a unique address for the school. Once entered, press Go. The app will open. To install the app on the phone, click on the little square with the arrow facing up at the bottom, swipe up slightly, and then select the option Add to Homepage. You can change the name of the school or keep it as it is. When done, click on Done, and this will add the app to the phone, as you can see on the bottom right.